Hey everyone, so yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to change page orientation in Google Docs step by step. Changing orientation is useful for charts, tables, or wide content. First, open your Google Docs file and scroll to the page where you want to apply the orientation. Click File in the top menu, then select Page Setup. In the Page Setup window, choose Portrait or Landscape. Portrait is standard, Landscape is horizontal for wide content. Click OK to apply. If you want, click Set as default to make this orientation for future documents. Check your document and adjust content like tables or images if needed. Pro tip, there's no direct keyboard shortcut, but keeping page setup handy speeds up your workflow. And yeah, that's how to change page orientation in Google Docs in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.